Are you feeling overwhelmed? Like there just aren't enough hours in the day to get everything done? What if I told you there are incredible free AI tools out there that can seriously boost your productivity? We have a tool that's like a digital command center. Notion AI. Notion is your all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, projects, and basically organizing your entire life or work. And the free plan? It's seriously impressive for individuals. At its heart, Notion is about organization. Create to-do lists, manage complex projects with boards or calendars, and structure your notes exactly how you like with its flexible system. It's perfect for building your own personal knowledge base. Need a meeting agenda, project tracker, habit tracker? They've got you covered with ready-to-use templates to jumpstart your organization. Now let's talk about making your writing shine. Grammarly AI. If you write anything, and who doesn't? Grammarly is a must-have. This AI-powered assistant focuses on making your writing clear, correct, and impactful. The free plan gives you the essentials you need every single day. Its core power is error correction. It catches grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and punctuation issues in real time, everywhere you write. Emails, documents, social media, you name it. Instant feedback means more polished writing with zero extra effort. All right, let's simplify your writing process into 3 super easy steps so you can go from blank page to polished draft in minutes. First, hit New Document and either start typing or drag in your existing file. This is where your ideas, blog posts, emails, reports come to life. Next, click Goals in the toolbar and choose your audience, formality, intent, and domain in the Pro Plan. Finally, review the right-hand panel of corrections, grammar, clarity, engagement, and hit Accept. You'll watch your score climb as your text becomes cleaner and more compelling. For anyone juggling social media, Buffer AI is a fantastic tool for managing your social media presence, and its free plan has AI features that are a real time saver. It helps you plan, schedule, and publish content across your channels. With the free plan, you can connect up to 3 social media accounts and schedule up to 10 posts per account. This alone saves you from constantly thinking about what to post next. Right in your dashboard, hit the plus New Post button. This opens Buffer's multi-network editor. Pick your format. On Facebook, you can choose Post, Reel, or Story. The AI assistant included in the free plan is a real game changer for content creation. Simply provide some context, and it will help you craft ideas, add hashtags, rephrase, shorten, make the text more casual or formal, and even expand it if needed, all in seconds. This tool has your back. It feels like having your own personal editor, ready 24/7 to make your content shine. Tired of taking frantic notes in meetings? Otter.ai is an AI-powered transcription service that's a lifesaver for meetings and audio. The basic plan offers features that will seriously boost your productivity if you deal with a lot of spoken information. Its main superpower is automatic meeting transcription and summarization. Otter.ai can join your virtual meetings on Zoom, Teams, or Meet and transcribe the conversation in real time. No more madly typing notes. Just focus on the discussion. Afterwards, you get a searchable transcript and an AI-generated summary with key points and action items. Imagine the time saved not re-listening to recordings. You can also use it for audio notes. Record voice memos, lectures, or interviews, and Otter.ai transcribes them for you. It's great for capturing ideas on the go and also makes audio content more accessible with written transcripts. The basic plan gives you a set number of free transcription minutes each month, and even includes limited access to Otter.ai chat, letting you ask questions about your meeting transcripts. Taskade AI. Taskade is an all-in-one platform for tasks, notes, and projects, but it stands out with its integrated AI workflows and templates. The free plan is generous and great for individuals and small teams. It's excellent for collaborative task management. Create tasks, set deadlines, assign work, and track progress in shared workspaces. You can view your work in different ways: lists, boards, calendars. It's also a solid tool for collaborative note-taking and document creation with real-time editing. A key feature of the free plan is the built-in AI. It can help with formatting documents, generating content ideas, and answering questions right within your projects. This AI integration streamlines workflows for both you and your team. Taskade also has a great library of free templates for different projects and tasks, giving you a head start. The free plan includes a limited number of AI and automation tasks per month, letting you leverage those powerful AI capabilities. AI, you've probably heard everyone talking about ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a versatile AI assistant ready to help with a massive range of tasks. Need help writing? ChatGPT is your go-to. Draft emails, brainstorm content ideas, polish your existing text, or even spark some creative writing. Just give it a prompt. Struggling to start that email? Ask ChatGPT to whip up a draft. Writer's block? Get instant ideas for articles or outlines. Here are some prompts ideas for ChatGPT, categorized by the type of writing help you need. For drafting an email, draft an email to a potential client introducing our new service and requesting a meeting next week. Wow, ChatGPT just crafted a full professional email in seconds. Look at that. It sounds clear, confident, and perfectly invites the client to meet. What are some potential solutions to improve team communication in a remote work environment? Okay, hold up. These aren't basic tips. We're talking about real, actionable strategies. If you're managing a remote team, this is like having a management consultant in your pocket. I'm seriously impressed. Imagine the brainstorming time you save with this. For summarizing, summarize the key findings from this article about renewable energy trends. Paste article text here. This is crazy. ChatGPT just read and summarized an entire article for me, and it even captured all the important points without missing anything. Instead of spending 20 minutes reading, I get the core info in like 20 seconds. Which one are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.